Ever booted up Cyberpunk, hip to div back into Night City, only to be met with that endless loading screen stare? It's so crushing, I know. All that crumb, all those quests, stuck just out of reach, done panic. Chum, because today we're gonna break down exactly how to fix that stubborn loading screen and get you back into the action.
First, we need to make sure your game files themselves aren't corrupted or missing. Sometimes the download glitch or even a system crash can mess with game data, leading to infinite loading. Head over to your game launcher, whether that's Steam, GOG, Galaxy, or Epic Games. Find Cyberpunk and look for an option to verify integrity of game files or repair game running. This will scan your installation and replace any faulty files, often resolving the issue right away.
Next up, let's talk about updates. Outdated graphics drivers are a notorious culprit for all sorts of game performance issues, including loading screen freezes. Make sure your drivers, NVIDIA, and Intel are fully up to date. And don't forget to check for any pending Windows updates, too. On top of that, ensure Cyberpunk itself is on its latest patch. Developers often release hotfixes that address specific bugs like this. For many, especially those who love modding Night City, this could be your silver bullet. Disable or remove any installed mods. While mods are fantastic, they can easily cause instability, particularly after a game update. Also, consider temporarily disabling any in-game overlays from apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam, as these can sometimes conflict with the game's loading process. If you're still staring at that loading screen, it might be time for more drastic action. Sometimes clearing your game's cache files can help, as corrupted cache data can cause hangups. As a last resort, a complete, clean reinstallation of Cyberpunk and can often resolve persistent issues, ensuring you have a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the game before you reinstall. Quickly check if your still meets the game's minimum system requirements, just to rule out any hardware bottlenecks.